In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall or permanently remove PowerToys app on your Windows computer. As you can see, I have PowerToys here and I wish to remove it from my Windows computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to uninstall this app, you need to go ahead and look for Control Panel on your computer. However, if you can't see this app, then go to Start menu here. And then from here, just search for Control Panel. And I'll click on it to launch it. From here, look for Programs and Features. And this will go ahead and list all the apps or programs that you have installed on your Windows computer. Now, from this, scroll down until you find PowerToys, and you can see it is here. To uninstall it, go ahead and click on it. And you should see now we have an option to uninstall the program. If you click on this, you'll have here an option to uninstall it. Go ahead and click on uninstall, and immediately the uninstallation process will begin. And this will completely remove this file from your computer. So at this point, you have to be patient until this process is complete. And finally, mine has been removed. So if I go back to my set menu, you can see I don't have the program, as well as I don't have any shortcut to the program on my Windows computer. So that's how you can uninstall PowerToys on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.